Namaste, my friends. Pavel Kalagin with you, yoga teacher in the tradition of the Swami Sivananda. I'm sorry. Yeah, today is Monday. I mean Saturday night, and as usual I'm doing video for you. Short video, some advice. Thank you who is visiting our platform in here. Very peaceful platform. So today I just want to tell you, I just spoke about it with my teacher, about people who is doing yoga, who is on the path, who is doing practices, meditation. They like to go to the nature, and they like all natural. So today, please be careful with that. What I mean exactly, for example, if you go somewhere, it's better not to drink water from the river or lake. Let's say it might be anything. And we have that's kind of, even if the people taking some pure water from some places, yeah, it is pure, but it's a lot of sand over there, very small, so we don't see it. But for kidneys, it could be very bad, and this water should go through filters, through some systems to get rid of this. Of course, before people did it, and you might tell me it's nothing wrong with it. Of course, it's for most of the people, nothing's gonna happen if you know this water exactly, like people drinking it in some, let's say, place in the mountains for hundreds of years. But anyway, I'm not talking even about toxins we have today, like it's so much bad things can come from the people. It's not pure anymore. It's all connected also. Yeah. The old rivers, so they're all connected, all connections. But it's, for example, like pure water, you see it's excellent, you don't see anything, but it's sand over there, and for some people it's okay if they have good kidneys, let's say, and for some people it's not okay at all. So be careful with to swim. I'm not saying you're not supposed to do that at all, but just be more careful with that today, these days, no matter where you are, what country, whatever, where you're swimming, when you go to the forest, or you pick up something, like you could pick up some berries, like in the forest, let's say, like could be anything, So nature is amazing, and I'm not against it, of course. But my suggestion to you, my point is, just be more gentle, be more careful with that. Yeah. These days. Don't grab it and eat it right away, even if you know it's good. Especially for children and adult people, senior citizen, or if you have some problems with health. Yeah, that's my point to you. Like, I know many people who go into the nature and they everything is okay, but all the time they have some problems, like they go with naked feet, and they got something all the time, like some whatever it is. Yeah, people who lives in the nature, with the nature, and got used to it, who is staying in the villages and they know everything about it, it's different. But if you're going from the city, if you live in a city, I'm speaking mostly about those people, like me. I live in Brooklyn. Yeah. And be careful what to buy there, like from the hands, you know. I know we have very bad products today, most of them in the stores, like chemicals, a lot of chemicals, but even that could be more, could be less strange and for you, less poison than you can take from the place you don't know. Yeah. It just looks like simple, and here it's a lot of chemical. Let's go to the wild nature, take something. Yeah, it's in the most cases it's fine, but be careful. It's not that simple. Before it was simple, 200 years ago, but not anymore. Yeah. Thank you very much. I'm just trying to to share with experience. I know a lot of people around me doing it, and a lot of people having problems when they coming back. Yeah. Much more than they staying in the city with this smoke, with this chemical fruits and whatever. It's a reality. Unfortunately, today it's pretty difficult to find pure place, pure products, pure nature. It exists, of course, but it's not guaranteed, it's not safe anymore. So be careful. God bless you. Namaste.